everyone. Today we're talking about lesson 22. We are going to do wealth analysis today. So wealth analysis, actually there are two sub aspects of it. We are talking about direct wealth, we are talking about indirect wealth analysis. So when you talk about direct wealth analysis, we are looking at business related matters. We are looking at profitability. We are looking at 100% commission based kind of work, services, and product selling, for example. So long there are no salary involved, we can actually use the direct wealth analysis. Once you have a salary credit in, then we cannot use the method to do direct wealth analysis. We need to actually reference the open door 开门, because that would fall under the career analysis. Okay, so coming back to our focus for today, we are going to do direct wealth analysis. Then what are the two key symbols that we should actually look out for? First, look out for live door 生门. Okay, when you got direct wealth money coming, then got live, so look at the live door. Then you want to know whether if your business is making money. If you recall from lesson 21, what is a symbol that represent money? Okay, so remember these two very important symbol, live door 生门 and okay, will tell us whether the businesses is being profitable. Okay, remember we also learned about producing relationship and clashing relationship. So the moment you plot a chart, you see that the live door produces the day stamp. Okay, so that is actually the best combination you can ever get. All right, because that will tell us that this person actually would have money coming in. Okay, so what happens if you see within a box of the live door, you see the bandit appearing, 天蓬. So if you recall, what does the Bandit Star actually represent? And when it actually combines with a live door that talks about businesses, then they are telling you, hey, your business is going to lose big money. All right, so do look out for the different combinations of live door with the stars, because that will actually tell us what is the outcome of the wealth itself. So for example, if we look at live door, if we combine with impulse 天冲, so it doesn't only mean that you're going to make very rash decision in businesses, but from the Chinese character, impulse means 天冲. The 冲 actually means wash away. So when a live door that represents businesses itself have this impulse star within the same box itself, it's going to tell you that your money is actually going to be washed away very fast. Okay, so there's some unique symbols. If you remember, if you see emptiness, so combined with a live door, they are telling you that this person cannot save money. Okay, then some years got money if it happens to be filled. Okay, and some years if don't have money because the emptiness cannot be filled by the 太岁. So do look out for all these combinations of the live door with the different stars, because it does tell very unique scenarios or unique situations at that point of time of what happened to the money itself. Okay, so if you see a day stamp clash with okay, well, it's not a good sign at all, because they are telling you that this person cannot keep any money. Okay, on the other hand, if you see producing the day stamp, it's very good. Okay, it's very good because they're telling you that Okay, you got money coming. Okay, there is money there. All right. Okay, so there are certain aspect of it that it does actually help us to um, predict what has happened when at a point of time you plot the chart and it tells the scenario of your businesses and the relationship with the money coming in. Okay, so what happened if you see that in the same palace, right, the life door occurs together with the day stamp? It tells the character that this person like to do business. Okay, so if you were to recall the learning point for the earlier video in lesson 21, we talk about expanding our interpretation. Yeah, so it actually helps when we actually go into individual topics of doing different types of analysis. Like for example, today we talk about direct wealth analysis, and you see that reading the representative meaning of a live door is not enough, but when it combines and tells different scenarios and interpretations whenever it combines with different stars. Okay, so that is actually our quick sharing about how to do interpretations of direct wealth using achievement. So look out for the next video when we share a little bit more about the next sub areas of wealth analysis. Okay, that is the indirect wealth. Okay, see you for the next video soon.